Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilojan. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we had discussed functions in Python. In this tutorial, we will discuss different ways to copy a list in Python. I will show you all the possible ways to copy a list with an example. You will decide which one is convenient for your use case. So let's start with duplicate references. Okay, so it's simply I have one list and let's make another list like my list copy. Here it is, and just assign this existing list like my list. Okay, so this is done, right? Let's print both. Print my list copy. Here it is. So let's execute this program. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. That means it just duplicate the list of existing list, like, but unfortunately this doesn't really do the job. After all, we haven't actually duplicated the list, we have simply stored the reference to it in another variable, right? So if we try to modify our duplicate list, it will also modify the original one, right? So let's see the example here. So if let's change something here, my list copy dot append, right? Here if we will add 6 here, it will change in both 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So it means it is just a, we have shared a reference, means we have shared a same reference within another variable, nothing but we have not duplicated the list here. Okay, let's check whether it is same list or not. So for that, let me print here, print my list is my list copy. Okay, so let's execute this program here. Here it is. This is true. That's I have told you. This is simple. We referred a same list with another variable. It is not a duplicate of that list, right? Let's try another way to copy a list. Okay, so we can do like we can make a for loop and iterate all the items and append to a particular that's copy list, right? But if you do in Pythonic way, we can make a comprehension here. So list compression, using list compression we can do this. So here item, like we have start with bracket, here item, for item in my list, right? This is the compression, list compression we can use here. So let's execute this. Here it is 1 2 3 4. First one is the my list 1 2 3 4 5, and second one is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We append here with this. That means our goal is done, like we have achieved the goal, right? We make a duplicate of the first list here. So but here my list copy is false. It means it's a simple different, we have a different variable, list variable with a different reference. That means it is saved in different place. Okay, here everything seems fine, right? So let's try with nested list here. So here let me add one more list within the list. Okay, so here it is, first one is 1 comma suppose 4. Okay, so here it is another list within the list. So let's try to execute the same here. So here it is, this is 1 4 and it's a copy to 1 4 3 5 6, right? So but if we change the particular position, suppose here let me change the first list and append 6 within the list. Okay, so here the first one is the list and we will append this 6 in this list, right? So let's execute this now. Here it is changed in both, like first my list it is changed 1 4 6 and second is also changed 1 4 6. It means the first iteration, like we have done the comprehension for item in my list, is for working in the for outer items. It is not work in nested. So for nested we have to do it nesting in comprehension also. Here we have to write another item. Okay, so item for item, two items, like we have two comprehension within the comprehension, so that it will be a deep copy. Remember, I think this is not the elegant solution for you, so let's try another one. If you remember, in list tutorial we had discussed the slice operator, and it is basically gives us the subset of the list, right? So here if you use that here, like my list and slice operator here, okay, so this will give you the like whole list. Like we have not mentioned any and start point and end point, so it means it will take whole list right now. So here let me this comment this one and this comment this one. Okay, so here we'll print the same list here. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5. So if you execute this one and let execute again, here it is. So it is same as the in the previously seen. Like we just duplicate the reference and make it another reference and with variable. Okay, this is how the slice operator works. You can copy the list using the slice operator. So here let me execute again, and the same, it is not same as the first list, it is false. Okay, but another way I can see you show you, like here you can directly use the list constructor or list class to use this one. Here it is my list. I think this is more readable than the list operator. Here it is the same result, but we have used the list constructor to copy the list of it. But it is not deep copy, though it is more readable than the first one, like list compression. The first one, which one? The slice operator, right? Let's see another funny example of copying the list, right? Here I can do, like I can use multiplication like for copying the list. Here it is. If you copy this one, so use a multiplication operator, here you can see the result. Let me execute this one. Okay, so here it is. Yes, it is the same way you can do for, like as previously we discussed, everything is same, right? So we have copied another the same list with to another variable using the multiplication operator. Okay, so let's now let's go for the another example. Okay, so using the copy function, and this is the most elegant way to copy a list, and this is I believe it is the most efficient version, and this is most readable, you can say. So here it is. If you use the copy function here, this is the most recent, you can say it is the best. I always I will recommend this one, to use this copy function to do it. Okay, and it is available after 3.3 plus. Okay, so this is not in older version of Python. And here let me execute to the Python 3. Here it is copy, and it is most readable way and it the most efficient way to copy a list. Okay, so I would recommend this one to use in your application. So last one is, we can use the copy package to copy the list, right? Here we can import copy, like you know this one, how to import in Python. We'll discuss it later, but let copy for copy a list, let me use this one. Okay, let's import copy here. So now we'll use this copy package so to copy the list. So for that, copy and the list. Okay, so here it is. You just remove this one. So this is how also you can copy a list in Python. So let me execute this. Here it is, the same result, 1 2 3 4 5, and second one is 1, because we append these 6 here. Okay, same result. This is no, this is false. Another, this best thing in copy package, it provides the deep copy. Okay, we have, like, as we have true in shown in the nested list, it will work by default. So the another function here is there, deep copy. Deep copy, this function you can use and it will almost the same level. Suppose here we can add one more list, the nested list as we have done earlier. So 1 4, here it is. So it will copy it, it will deep copy to the list. Okay, so let's first execute this, then we will append in the 0th position. Okay, so here it is. What is the error here? Copy list invalid syntax. I think I missed here, so I missed the comma. So here it is. Let's execute again. So here it is 1 4 and it is the same, append to the whole list, but let me append to the 0th position of the first list. Here let's see how it is working. Here it is. So 1 4 6, as you see here, it's only the duplicate list is appended. It means this is another way to copy, like using the copy package, exactly deep copy happen. So with this function. Okay, so this is how, this is all about the copy a list in Python. This is the different way we have discussed. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.